But this is, you know, my 94 Dolly that had the built 6.5 diesel in it and all that shit. Well, it blew up. So, you know, this is the truck I was talking about putting a 6-liter Power Stroke in, but at the moment that whole plan's kind of on a pause. The injectors to make the kind of power I want are $4,000 alone. Another turbo is like $2,000. I mean, hell, the fucking the lift pump is a couple $100. Like, it's just gonna be really expensive. So for the moment, pulling the 6.5 out, I got a guy that wants to buy what's left of whatever the hell is in here. Yeah, I'm gonna pull the motor out of it, and then I know I'm gonna tear it apart and see what failed, because I'm really curious. I personally think it's a crankshaft, but yeah. So this video might be really short, just so I can get something out, because I haven't put anything out in a while. But yeah, me and Jared are gonna start pulling the motor out of it tonight and see how far we get. But yeah, it's just pretty much gonna be a time lapse from the rest of this, unless we find something interesting from here to there. But I don't think this is very good. Black water that smells really burnt coming out of the radiator. Not good. Okay, so now I'm onto the truck. Gonna drain the, I'm hoping a milkshake out of the oil pan. That would be ideal. I mean, you guys already seen the black shit that come out of the radiator, so we'll see what comes out of the oil pan. Oh, that's sad. It's not completely disgusting and destroyed like I was hoping. Sparkly. It's a crying shame. Okay, so I didn't get the motor pulled all the way out of it, but I got it most of the way. We were going to try to pull the head off of it tonight, but with the head studs, you can't get it up without hitting the firewall. So we're going to finish pulling the motor tomorrow. But yeah, this is just what we got done so far today. I'm going to try to edit this up quick tonight and post it. But yeah, thanks for watching.